Hi everyone. It's a new week. Let's just have a brief overview in terms of what to expect this coming week. As we know, we currently completing wave 5. The market is still moving as expected for the long-term perspective. But if we take a look at your 4-hour, let's try and see where are we in terms of your long-term perspective. Where are we specifically in the smaller time frame? So we see that price is currently completing the fifth wave of wave 5. So basically, this is wave 1, wave 5. So the subwave, we're currently on wave number 5 of our subwave. So what I'm expecting is I'm expecting price to break out from this zone during this week and start to push down. If we apply off Fibonacci, we see that price reversed around your 50% price zone. We zoom in, we see that we've got your spinning top, got your pin bar rejection, got your doji. So I'm expecting price to break and continue. So now we know what needs to happen in terms of the dollar index. Let's look at your USD. So as you know, there is a negative correlation between these two. Then again, if you look at your long-term perspective, price is still moving as expected. It respected this resistance zone here. It formed your head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, you've got your shoulder here, got your head, you've got another shoulder here. Price broke out, retested, and currently pushing down. So I'm expecting price to push towards this zone during this week. You see that it left your reversal candlestick pattern. You've got your doji, you've got your spinning top right here. You've got your bearish engulfing pattern. So I do expect price to push lower. As much as we have this significant support area right there, I am expecting price to break and continue. If you look closely, you'll see that price has formed or is forming your flag continuation pattern. So I'm expecting price to continue and go down. If you look at your reversal candlestick patterns at this resistance area, this resistance is coming from this area, stretches out to the zone right here. Cool. Price has your doji reversal pattern. It's got your bearish engulfing pattern, these two. So I'm expecting price to push lower. Put our Fibonacci, we'll see that it actually reversed around your 50% price zone. So I am expecting price to come down this week, at least towards this price area right here before it continues going down. So that's what we're expecting currently so far for our USDs are as we push, you know, for long-term positions. So what we're looking at this coming week, price is pushing down. Long-term, we're still moving in that direction. So that's where the market sentiment is for the USDs are. Let's look at our NASDAQ. So when it comes to NASDAQ, just put our major zones first, just to identify where we are in terms of price. And I think NASDAQ is pretty clear long term that as we spoke last week, or the previous week, I did upload a video speaking about the long-term perspective with NASDAQ as well. Since it's one of the instruments that I tend to look at. Let's see this on here. So when it comes to our NASDAQ, I am expecting price to break from this resistance area right here. It doesn't seem much of a strong resistance on long term. We're still going up here. I'm expecting some form of resistance, perhaps at this area, to create a retest before we continue. So that's what I see with our NASDAQ. We just put a hint of Elliott. We'll see that this is how price could possibly pan out for NASDAQ long term. If you look at our smaller time frame, our 4-hour, try and see what's happening with price. You'll see that price respected this area a number of times. And looking at this minor support structure, which is actually coming from this area right here, we've got our two reversal candlestick patterns. You've got your doji right here. You've got your pin bar rejection as well. So you've got two rejections at these areas. I know I've got price rejection here, but as you can see, price momentum is actually pointing in an upper direction. So price has to continue to push up. If we apply our major key right here, you'll see the price actually broke out. So then again, you know, when it comes to our entries, we always make our entries at our smaller time zones. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting this week for all these three pairs that we look at, and market sentiment for long term is still as we spoke about the previous week. But if anything changes in terms of our fundamentals, it will definitely affect our technical setup in terms of how we look at the market for the coming week or the coming months as well. So take care, and we'll just keep following price. Thank you.